Hawkins with Chickenhawkfarmstead. Today we're going to see how many cans we can crush. Been saving up cans a while to do another melt soon, but I do want to crush them so I can fit more in one spot. Show you what we're going to try. Alright, I got my child labor right there, and she's going to be setting all the cans up. Yeah. And then we're going to go over there and get the tractor and see if we can crush them all at once. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's very bright out.
It is bright out. Alright, let's do it. Did you have fun?
Not doing that part, but maybe the other part.
The crushing?
Yeah.
All right, so we got about, I'm guessing 160 or so. Someone wants to actually pause the stuff right there and count them. Be our guest. If you do that, shoot me an email. Let me know how many there are, or just comment below. Or take a guess. It's whatever you want, really. But we're gonna go get the tractor now, or I'm gonna go get the tractor. Then we're gonna crush these cans.
I want to ride.
All right, she's going with us. We'll be right back. Go get on the tractor. Yeah. All right, pick those couple up again.
At least it's not me.
Yeah, that was so rude, Mr. Wind.
We gotta finish it before Mr. Wind not do that again.
Let's go.
Run!
It's a lot of cans. So what you think?
That's cool.
Pretty cool. Should we do it again?
One more time.
Yeah, because we got a whole trash can full. That thing's pretty much still full. So we'll pick up all the crushed ones. We're gonna do it again. We'll film the other one, and then yeah.
That's gonna be it after that.
Yep.